Do you have grounds to file a daycare injury lawsuit? Every day, parents place their trust in daycare centers, believing their children will be safe and cared for. But what happens when a child is injured due to negligence or abuse? Recently, a 10-month-old girl's finger was severed at an Overbrook Park daycare, prompting her parents to file a lawsuit. This tragic incident raises questions about daycare safety. Common injuries in such settings include falls, falling objects, interactions with other children, poisoning, transportation accidents, choking, sexual assault, drowning, and more. Daycare abuse is a serious concern. In Illinois, it's defined as causing non-accidental serious physical injury, sexual abuse, serious physical neglect, or failure to provide essentials of life. Abuse may not always leave visible marks. Signs include unexplained injuries, aversion to the daycare, clingy behavior, age-inappropriate play, mood swings, aggressive behavior, and more. Recognizing these signs is crucial to protecting your child. If your child is injured, determining liability is complex. Daycare centers must follow regulations, including background checks, supervision, emergency protocols, and more. Negligence may arise from lack of supervision, unsafe conditions, or failure to follow regulations. Signing a waiver doesn't absolve daycare centers of liability. State regulations and the duty to provide care override waivers. If your child is injured due to negligence or abuse, you have a legal right to seek compensation for medical expenses and damages. Taking action. If you suspect abuse or negligence, trust your instincts. Document injuries and behavior changes. Take photos and retain medical bills. Reach out to other parents for shared experiences. Finally, contact an experienced daycare injury attorney for legal guidance. Daycare injuries are traumatic, but as parents, you have the power to protect your child. By understanding the signs, knowing your rights, and seeking legal guidance, you can ensure that daycare centers are held accountable for the safety of every child.